we asked ourselves, how could we create the most powerful, most reliable 3D printer designed for the desktop? Introducing the Form 2 high-resolution 3D printer. It starts at the heart of the machine, the optical engine. A high-powered laser is guided by custom galvanometers, creating each layer with exceptional detail. A sliding peel mechanism gently removes the part from the print bed, while a wiper glides across the optical window. A responsive heating system warms the resin to a consistent temperature. This creates a reliable print process, producing beautiful parts without sacrificing speed. It features a 40% larger build volume and a new smart resin system that automatically refills the tank when levels are low. To make printing simple, we've added wireless connectivity and a touchscreen display. Now you can upload over Wi-Fi, manage your queue, and receive notifications when your print's complete. All this has been designed to work together with our world-class software and cutting-edge materials to deliver professional results. The Form 2, the most advanced desktop 3D printer ever created.